Hey guys, this is Norman over with Soundtrax here, and today we're going to be talking about a couple of quick tips that you can use whenever you're using a current keeper in your model. So let's get started. So here we have a current keeper, and there are a couple of relatively little known facts about these that can really help when you're installing them, or you have to move one and swap it to another model, or you just have to replace the wiring harness on it. So the wiring harness on the current keeper is actually double-sided. As you all know, we have the little 2-pin plug on this end, but the current keeper itself has the exact same plug on it. So if we just pull, like so, you can see that the wire harness that this current keeper was plugged into just unplugs. And this is actually the same wire harness on both ends. So I can actually take this end and plug it in back into the current keeper, and it'll just work exactly the same because it's the same harness on both ends. Now, this can come in really handy if you ever cut this harness, because let's say you have a model where you do need to solder to the decoder instead of just plugging it in. Well, if you cut this in half, you actually now have a spare harness that you can plug in and solder a current keeper to a different decoder. Similarly, if you ever do end up having to purchase a replacement harness from us, you don't actually have to do any soldering. We do have replacement harnesses available on our website. You can simply unplug the old broken one, discard it, and plug in a brand new one. So that's just a couple of quick tips that'll help you whenever you have to install a current keeper in your model. If you have any further questions, be sure to contact us at soundtrax.com. Also be sure to check out our user's guides for all of our decoders, and make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified the next time we post great content like this. That's going to be all for today. Thanks for watching.